something strange has happened behind the scenes of the Raiders, and it involved a rookie who wasn't even on most fans' radars before the draft. Amid a rebuilding defense and a secondary full of uncertainty, an unexpected name has started to stand out in the early practices. A former wide receiver turned cornerback who is now catching the eye of Pete Carroll. But who is this player, and why is he being compared to a legend at the position? The answer may surprise even the most observant fans. Darian Porter didn't need long to make a name for himself in his new environment. The Las Vegas Raiders rookie minicamp was a cornerback's first chance to show why he deserved to be selected in the third round, and he made the most of it with his impressive 4.3-second 40-yard dash, a mark that put him among the fastest at the combine. Porter quickly caught the attention of coaches and analysts. In addition to his speed, his physicality is also a plus. At 6 feet 4 inches, he commanded respect among his defensive teammates from the first practice. But what's most surprising is his trajectory. From wide receiver to cornerback in just 1 year as a starter at Iowa State, accumulating 3 interceptions and solid performances in coverage. This demonstrates not only athletic talent, but also tactical intelligence and adaptability, qualities that Pete Carroll values immensely in his defensive system. The situation of the Raiders' secondary further favors Porter's rise. After the departure of Nate Hobbs and Jack Jones, and with veterans like Darnay Holmes and Jacorian Bennett not making much of an impact so far, the path is clear for the rookie to carve out a significant role as early as Week 1. Coach Pete Carroll even sees similarities in him to Richard Sherman, one of his most successful former pupils, who also started out as a wide receiver before becoming an elite cornerback in the NFL. With a 4-year contract signed and growing confidence from the coaching staff, Darian Porter has all the tools to become not just a starter, but a key part of the Raiders' defense going forward. The Sherman comparison may be bold at this point, but in Las Vegas, expectations are high.